teachers who have used your template for a Q1 or even a Q2 gradebook won't have the template sitting there waiting for them anymore. Here's how you can add it mid-year. First, tap on Add Gradebook at the top of the screen, choose the grading period, and make sure to name the gradebook with your name, the grading period, and the school year. When you've done that, go ahead and tap on Save at the top or bottom of that screen. You remain on that screen, and now I want you to look all the way to the right where you see the Restore tab. Tap Restore, find the name of your gradebook, tap the box to the left, and then tap Next. You're going to get a pop-up. Go ahead and tap OK. Now in this step 2, get off of your name by tapping on the little arrow and choose any of your colleagues. When you do that, you will then tap the little arrow to the right, and you're searching for the template that they may have saved. And here I go. I found the grade 6. Tap that. Tap Next at the bottom, and then the pop-up makes you tap it twice this time, but go for it. Please only choose these 3 boxes: assignment categories, final marks, gradebook options, and then tap on Restore Gradebook. Tap OK, and now you have overlaid the gradebook template for your grade into your brand new gradebook. Under All Entering Students, I'm going to find the same gradebook name and tap on All Students to make sure those kids are still in my gradebook for this grading period, and then tap Close. Now, here's my book, and I'm going to make sure everything is just perfect by tapping on Details and Manage Gradebook, and I'm going to check couple places. First, my name and the quarter. Make sure the first, third, and final boxes are tapped in the options. The categories look perfect. No assignments yet. I haven't done that. Here's all my kids for this year, and the final marks table is perfect.